Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to mute notifications from people you don't follow on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your computer. This quick update helps you focus on the conversations that matter most while keeping random alerts out of your way. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on your home page, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see the Notifications option. Click on that to open your notifications feed. Now look toward the top right of the Notifications page. There, you'll find the Settings option. Click it, and a new menu will appear with different tools you can use to manage your notification experience. From that list, select Filters. Inside Filters, you'll see several options designed to help you control what kind of notifications you receive. Look for the section labeled Muted Notifications. Click on it to open your muting preferences. Here's where you'll find a few checkboxes that let you choose who to mute notifications from. What we're focusing on today is the option labeled You Don't Follow. By checking this box, you're telling X to silence all notifications from accounts that you aren't following. That means no more pings or alerts from unknown users or people who just decided to tag you randomly. Once that box is checked, the change is saved automatically. There's no need to hit a save button or refresh the page. From now on, your notifications will come only from people you follow, keeping your feed quieter and more relevant. That's it. You've just customized your notification settings on X's web version. It's a small tweak, but it can make a big difference in reducing distractions and improving how you interact on the platform. Thanks for watching.